अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मौलाना Rabia Hassani Nadwi, the President of All India Muslim Personnel Law Board, passes away in Lucknow by Muslim Mirror Network. Lucknow, renowned scholar Maulana Muhammad Rabia Hassani Nadwi passes away in Lucknow Thursday. He breathed his last at about 3 p.m. He was served as the President of All India Muslim Personnel Law Board and the Chancellor of Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama and Patron Islamic Fiqh Academy, India. He is also the Vice President of the Alami Rabita Adab-e-Islami, Riyadh, KSA, a founding member of Muslim World League. He has been regularly listed among the 500 most influential Muslims of the world. Rabia Hassani Nadwi was born on October 1, 1929 at Takia Kala, Rai Bareli, UP, India, in the family of Rashid Ahmad Hassani. He is a nephew of author and reformer Abul Hassan Ali Nadwi. Nadwi gained primary education from the family maktab at Rai Bareli and joined Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama for higher studies. He graduated in 1957. Nadwi became assistant professor at Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow in 1952, head of its Arabic department in 1955, and the Dean of Faculty of Arabic in 1970. He received an award from India Council, Uttar Pradesh, and a presidential award for his contribution to Arabic language and literature. Nadwi became Vice Chancellor of Nadwatul Ulama in 1993, Chancellor in 2000, and Rector after the death of Abul Hassan Ali Nadwi. He succeeded Mujahidul Islam Khasimi as the President of All India Muslim Personnel Law Board. Source: Wikipedia. He will be buried in Rai Bareli after Maghrib. दुआ है कि अल्लाह उनकी मग़फ़िरत फरमाए और उनके अहल अयाल को सब्र जमील अता करे। खुदा हाफिज़, फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।